Amanda, push the little button on the battery and that wakes it up.
What button?
Right on top of the battery. Just give it a little push. Now turn the on button. The ON, OFF button. Switch.
Okay, okay. I figured it out.
Happy trails. Amanda, what do you think of the electric canopy there?
Well, I don't need a big
You like that?
Nice bike.
Thank you. I like the Schwinn too. It's a beautiful color.
Well, I don't need a big floppy hat, I don't think. I just got the big old canopy here.
Yeah, but I noticed the sun is still smacking you in the face.
Yeah, it is.
So is it really doing any good?
No, it's not. Not
It's
really.
doing some good.
A little.
You need to wait to ride the trike until about 11:45 to 12:15 when the sun is directly overhead, because then you get good coverage, right? Because the sun is right on top.
Yeah.
So that's all. You just got to schedule your rides. It's that easy, right? What was that?
It was a bug.
It was a bug. I just thought you just...
Yes, thank you. Very much.
Yeah, so you just schedule your rides between 11:45 and 12:15, and you can enjoy this great canopy from Lectric. And you can put it on an electric trike.
Is it great?
Yeah, it's great.
Is it?
Speak up. What?
Is it though? Is it though?
It's cute. It's different.
It's cute.
I'm getting dizzy because she's
I
going
just
around in
don't know that it's
circles.
very functional. That's my thing that I don't really care
Oh,
for.
I got to stop turning because I get dizzy easy. I got equilibrium problem.
Me
You're not
too.
dizzy yet?
Uh-huh.
Go on down the road.
All right, here we go.
Let's see how this thing wiggle wobbles. Let's chase her. Zoom in a little bit. It's going to give you some protection from the sun. Not a lot, but it gives you some. You know, Amanda, someone already commented on another video and said something about Amanda and Mary Poppins. I'm not sure if you saw that comment. Did you see that comment?
I did not see that comment.
I think that came from Pedro, if I'm not mistaken.
Oh.
Yeah, I think Pedro commented something about Amanda riding this, looked like Mary Poppins. But you know what? He's absolutely right.
Really?
Yeah, you got that Mary Poppins vibe thing going on with this. What do you think, guys? Do you think Amanda's got the Mary Poppins vibe going on right here?
I mean, I could really use her bag, but...
Her bag, her magical
yeah,
bag?
The magical bag that just everything disappears, and I could carry my whole house in that thing.
Well, maybe you could carry the trike in that canopy. I don't think you could get that canopy in that bag.
No, could not.
It's a little too tall.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, guys, if you like this short video, give us a thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up, Amanda. There you go. If you're new here, subscribe. We do all kinds of fun content. See you in another video real soon.
Ride safe.
Ride safe. Ride safe, Amanda.